Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing for my JewelScent monthly subscription, Jewels Across America. And I could already smell it. It smells so good. They always put an extra map on the top, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that because I already have mine with my little stickers on there below. And the scent this month is Key Lime Pie. It smells so good. I love the smell of limes, and it definitely smells like that. So I will do the ring reveal for this at the end of the video. There's at least a $40 ring in here. Now the subscription is kind of pricey compared to like Fragrant Jewels, but you do kind of get more. It just depends how you look at it. You do get one $40 ring, and you get some bath bombs. The bath bombs are essential bath bombs, meaning there's no extra rings in them. But let me show them to you. They're pretty big. And of course smell wonderful. I do like their bath bombs. So I did get 2 of those. And I'm so silly. I put that map aside, but that actually has our postcard in it. So let me grab that out of there. And our sticker. I forgot they tuck it in there. So, get a little postcard. It says Florida, so that's this month. On the back, it tells you about the scent. Key Lime Pie is iconic for Florida, so that's why that was chosen. Can't wait to see some of these other states, because some of them, obviously, Georgia Peach, you can guess what they're going to be, but I keep joking about, like, Illinois, that's mine. It's like, what is it going to be? Cornbread? I don't know. But here's a little sticker, so I'm going to go ahead and peel that off, and Florida goes here. I think I'm going to keep doing these. I kind of feel like I have to now, like I can't stop because I need all the stickers. So even though it's a little bit more pricey, I'm still going to continue with it. And I think you guys like seeing it, so there's always that too. So I'm going to start burning this, and I'm sure I'll have Jackson with me since it's summer. He's upstairs, and we'll do our little ring reveal. Alright, so we're back, and this one's been burning for a few hours. I also went ahead and put it on the warmer just to warm up the bottom a little bit so it was easier to get out. This candle smells really good.
Yeah, it smells like lemon lime.
Lemon lime, is that what you think?
Yeah, whenever it first came. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what he said as soon as I opened the box. He's like, smells like lemon lime.
It smells like burnt wax and lemon lime right now.
Yeah, it smells really good. I love it.
Smells like both. Okay.
Oh, sorry. I forget that you like doing that. I don't know how.
Well,
go ahead and open it for us.
I hope no wax is in it.
Who knows? What color is it? What color is it?
Purple.
Ooh, it's a light purple.
Hey, Ma, I feel wax on it.
Actually. So this is probably a $40 ring. All of them I've gotten have just been a flat $40. I'm not sure if you can get more expensive ones in the subscription. Oh, that's really pretty. I like the purples. So I'm going to go ahead and double check that code, and I'll be back to show you a better view of the ring. So yes, this is a $40 ring. I always forget what those codes mean, but this one is really pretty. I do like the light purple stone. Typically like JewelScent's jewelry. Sometimes if you have a bigger ring size, you'll get chunkier rings or gaudy rings, but that doesn't happen too often for me, thankfully. I do like their jewelry. So if you guys are interested in signing up, I'll put a link below for the subscription, or if you want to check out their website, I've got a promo code as well. And as always, thank you so much for watching.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.